Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Log into the account on the web to prove credentials work, and double-check mail server names and ports so Outlook isn't fighting the wrong endpoint. Once done, make sure your network is stable, switch from VPN to direct connection, disable proxies briefly, and test. Then update Outlook and Windows so you don't run into known bugs. Updates often fix sync engines. This prepares the environment and immediately rules out simple but common causes. You now repair and force a fresh sync. Start Outlook's built-in repair through File, Account Settings, then repair for that account. This rebuilds connection settings. Once that completes, close Outlook and rename the OSD file to create a new local cache so Outlook downloads a clean copy. This resolves most corruption issues. If problems persist, disable all add-ins to rule out interference, and then recreate the Outlook profile to ensure account metadata and credentials. You finish by validating results and preparing fallback options. Check the sync issues and sync problems folders to capture specific error codes. Those codes guide targeted fixes. Then test the same account on another Outlook client or mobile app to determine whether the issue is device-specific versus server-side. If sync still fails, gather logs and the exact error code, then escalate to your admin or Microsoft support. One key troubleshooting tip: when all else fails, capturing and sharing the error code shortens diagnosis and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.